Hey there. I just want to jump in and have a quick word about our sponsors for giveaways and door prizes and stuff like that for the Ballan retreat. So we have some amazing things. There's some merch from Tamron and Blonde Robot. There is an incredible action camera from CJM, the C400, which I'm recording it on mine at the moment. We also have a light from K&F Concepts. We have some fabulous, we've got this FL10 flashlight and gobo from the fabulous people at Newer. We also have a Newer mobile phone stick, so that should be fun for people to play with. We also have a incredible voucher from Lucky Straps, camera straps for one lucky person. Plus, there is an amazing discount for all attendees. From the fabulous people at DxO, we have a full license of Nick Collection 8 for one lucky person and some incredible vouchers as well for everybody coming to the retreat. From PGY Tech, we have a clip, we have a camera strap, and we have a gear bag as well. And then, of course, in our little bags, we've also got some incredible vouchers that are there for everybody coming to the retreat from likes of Newer, Lucky Straps, DxO, fabulous vouchers. We've also got some great freebies from Tamron and Blonde Robot. There's also some lollies and all sorts of other nibblies in there as well. So it is going to be an incredible 2-day event. I can't wait. So it's 8 mini workshops over 2 days, 4 models. It's going to be amazing. I cannot wait to share the photos and even more behind the scenes from this weekend. So stay tuned. That's pretty much it. Again, thanks to DxO, Luminar, K&F Concepts, Lucky Straps, Newer, Tamron, Blonde Robot, SJ Cam, and PGY Tech for their support for this amazing event. I will see you all soon. Bye.